All right, we're in the world of angle pairs. We've got linear pairs, we got vertical angles, we got corresponding angles, we got alternate interior angles, consecutive interior angles, and alternate exterior angles when we're talking about parallel lines being cut by a transversal. And of course, when we look at word problems, sometimes we can get an idea of which type of people actually use math from time to time. And so if we're in the planning department of the city and doing community planning, we might be interested in something like this, because here I see it says community planning. Refer to the diagram to find each angle measure. Tell which postulates or theorems you used. All right, so here we've got, looks like a diagram of some streets. I got Creek Road, I got Reading Lane, I got Park Road. Creek Road and Reading Lane look to be parallel to each other. Park Road is a transversal cutting through there, and then over here we see Wendell Park, and I've got angles in each of the corners. Standing on the corner, watching all the girls go by. I think that came from some kind of musical back in my youth. I don't remember. Anyway, forget that. Forget I ever said that. All right, let's see here. We got if the measure of angle 1 is 100 degrees, find the measure of angle 4. So I'm looking at 1 and 4. Well, 1 and 4 are not linear pair. They're not vertical angles. They're not alternate interior angles. They're not corresponding interior angles. They're not alternate exterior angles. What am I going to do? Well, I do see that angle 4 and angle 3 are alternate exterior angles. So how could I find the measure of angle 3 that then would lead me to find the measure of angle 4? Well, if I look here, angle 1, which I know is 100 degrees, and angle 3 are linear pair. And according to the supplement theorem, those two measures have to equal 180. So that means that if measure of angle 1 is 100 in this first example, then the measure of angle 3 must be 80. And since angle 3 and angle 4 are alternate exterior angles, then Shazam, the measure of angle 4 is going to be 80. So the measure of angle 4 equals 80. And how did I come to this conclusion? Well, I used the supplement theorem to find the measure of angle 3. And then once I found the measure of angle 3, I used the alternate exterior angle theorem to find the measure of angle exterior. Is that a little right? I don't know. To find the measure of angle 4. Okay. Well, there we go. Now, what if, I guess here in the second example, it says the measure of angle 3 is equal to 70, find the measure of angle 4. Well, we kind of already established that the measure of angle 3 that angle 3 and angle 4 are alternate exterior angles, which means that they are congruent according to the alternate exterior angles theorem. And so if angle 3 is 70, then angle 4 must also be 70. And so in this second example, the measure of angle 4, given what we have been told about the measure of angle 3, is also going to be 70, and we used alternate exterior angles. All right. Better be careful which corner you're standing on.